This video was sponsored by Enhance, Elbilmek, ABRP Planner, Kempower and Bilkomponenter.
Yo, what's up? This is Jac E30X. It's a small, compact, affordable city car. And in this video, we're gonna find out how much space it has. I think it looks promising. And the reason for that is this. It has a relatively short hood, which means more space for people and cargo. Let me check what is under the hood. There. Okay, it's quite small. No frunk, just some car stuff here. Yeah, well, it's front wheel drive also. So not much utilizable space there, but there should be more space in the back then. In the trunk, we just have manual liftgate here, but wow, okay space. There's a lid here. Okay, nothing there. One light there. We can go wide here in the trunk. I like it. And then, well, this has some size, so we take it out, of course, for the maximum space. You can see that they put the wheels in each corner, which is great for comfort, but also for space inside. Okay, round one in the trunk. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's actually pretty good. Right on par with the other cars in the same class. Wow, this is impressive. Because here we have quite good leg room, and I managed to put them vertically, so 3 in the width there. And you see we have glass roof, so you can stack all the way on top. That means good headroom if you want to put passenger in there. And then this back here is quite boxy. Okay, Isabel is running around here, but anyway, let's turn up the pitch and start counting.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17,
18, 19, 20. Wow, impressive space for such a compact and affordable car. It actually beats the Renault 5 and some of the other cars. I don't remember right now, but okay. And then, oh, okay, it could match Firefly, but Firefly had a frunk, so it was slightly better, Firefly, but still very good. So that's gonna be for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.